I'm going to be showing you how to renew a list on Marketplace using Facebook Shops. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So you cannot directly renew a Facebook Marketplace listing through Facebook Shops. They are separate features. However, you can renew or relist Marketplace listings manually, and Facebook Shops items can appear on Marketplace if enabled. So the first thing you need to do is renew and relist a Marketplace listing for all users. So Marketplace listings expire after 30 to 42 days. It varies by region, so to keep them active, you need to renew them up to 5 times. Just go ahead and open Facebook. As you can see, it's right here. Just go ahead and look at the bottom and tap on this Marketplace option. And after you're here, you need to go to Sell right there and then tap on your listings. And after you're here, you need to select the expired and inactive option of listings and find the listing and tap on the option of Renew. You'll find it right there, and then you can just confirm and no changes are needed. So what you need to know is you can renew up to 5 times. Each renewal adds 7 days. So after 5 renewals, the renew button disappears. So make sure you do that. So that's how easy it is to renew a list on Marketplace using Facebook Shops. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.